Hello, this is David at Tonkin, Hillsboro, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge. Just want to do a quick video for you on the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. So I'm in the vehicle now. I'm going to flip the camera around. We'll start on the outside, go to the inside. Hopefully the video isn't too long, but hopefully you like it. And please let me know. We'll set up a test drive and come check it out. This is a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. It is four-wheel drive, and it is the exterior color, we call it granite crystal. The vehicle, you can see down here at the bottom right there, so that little eye means it has lane avoidance, adaptive cruise control, and all the premium advanced safety features. It's on the 18-inch wheel with some nice Michelin all-terrain or all-season tires. The paint and body is in great shape. The Grand Cherokee will have remote start, so you can precondition it, especially on a hot day like today. So it does have the ventilated seats. It has heated seats, so if it's cold or hot outside, those features will come on, so when you get in, it's nice and ready to go. You can see in the back here, it has the factory trailer tow group, so that will give you 4-way and 7-way connections, so you can have trailer lights and trailer brakes. And then it'll also, in here, the rear suspension, it'll rear load level, so when you hook up a trailer, it'll automatically level the Jeep, so you don't have to worry about it, and it'll tow about 6,200 pounds. And then real quick, right here, so it does have passive entry, so you stick your hand behind here, open the Jeep up, and go inside. So now that we're inside the Jeep does have Luxury Group 2, which is going to get you some premium features. Starting here, we'll have seat memory for the driver's seat, so we do have a power driver's seat, but we also have power tilt and telescope as far as the steering wheel goes. And then we got automatic lights. We got dual pane panoramic sunroof with the option for the roof rack up top. Lux Group 2 gives you the ventilated seat option. It also gets you Alpine premium sound, dual power seats. It'll also give you second row heated seats, and then we also have power back here as well. And while we're back here, we'll take a look at the rear seat. So it is full leather on the inside. Door panels are in great shape. The back seats are in great shape. We do have the all-weather floor mats in the front and in the cargo area as well. This lever right here will let you recline this back seat, so you can tilt it back so you're a little more comfortable. There's a pull out right here, armrest and cup holders. And then I'm going to hit this button right here to close the rear hatch. These buttons are for your sunroof, and this center button is for your garage door opener, so you can pair a remote to it. Go through the Uconnect system real quick. So we're on climate, where we can access our heated and vented seats. We got radio, satellite radio, mini map, HD, and then we also have navigation on the unit. And then this vehicle will also do Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. If we go down, we have more AC controls, parallel perpendicular parking sensors, lane avoidance, sport mode, eco mode, traction control, and stop start. Below that, we have more plugs, USB ports, and that's your four-wheel drive system. And then looking at the steering wheel, this is your adaptive cruises right here. That's your Bluetooth buttons. They're the miles. We have a digital display readout for the mile per hour. And then in the top right corner, you have temperature. Left, you have the direction that we're facing, so your compass. That's the key, so you can have remote start, proximity entry, and it'll also control the rear lift gate. Now we're back in the Jeep. Hopefully it wasn't too long of a video, but I just wanted to touch on some quick points of the Jeep. And please let me know if you'd like to set up a time to come see and drive it. It's got a little over a quarter tank of gas, so we can take a good test drive. Thanks again. My name's David, Tonkin, Hillsboro, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, 503-640-1050. See ya.